Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.